U MLA ka UDP uba Mayral Born ha ka Henry Trik Yayong. Ula ong babarok ki seng pyrthei ki jumat beit ya kapor jonga jingkylla pat ka jingkylla bat ki pat ba nong thep vote ka Meghalaya ki dei ki bansa a ya ka rai ha ka bakun. Ya kani ula tho halor ka jingpau jong ka Voice of the People Party VPP ha ka election Lok Sabha archa arpasau bat kumno kan jia ha ka nik election shiteng samay ka banwan. Kadon kapor ki baro kadon kapor jong ka jingkylla pat ka jingher jong ka no ka party sain pyrthei ula ong. Lada pikren halor ka sain pyrthei hapo kari kadon kapor ba ka kongres ka klan bha bat mentang kala tran. Ka BJP kala klan shibun Henry kan sapoy kapor ba ki pat ba kin saa ya ka jubab ka babyang ya ka no ka sorkar. Kani ka de ka jinglong jingman ka baju jiaben ong uba Mayral Born. Ula kedo ba omdan satya ka no ka seng sain pyrthei ka banla banyai sa junom ha kabor. Omdan satya ka no ka seng sain pyrthei ka banne hadu sapho hadu sanpho snam. Kani ka de ka jing itinan jong ka sensyar pat ba badai na kata kadaw gidei shibenta jong ka sensyar pat ba ka badan ni kiriti sensyar ki election bat ki jingkylla ha ka jingpau kman. Uba Mayral Born ula ong ba omday tang ka VPP Henry man laki seng sain pyrthei kilaman ya ka jingkershan jong upat ba haki por per. Ka BJP kalapau kmat bha ka NPP kalapau bha kumju ka UDP. Baro ki seng sain pyrthei kilapau kman phimla bantip ka ka banja. Kinong thep vote ka Meghalaya kilong ki bastan bat ki tip yano banjit kum kinong mi kmat jongki. Ngi ha ka jingstan jongki pat ba ula benram.
See, there is a time for everything. There is a rise and there is a fall down of any political party. If you talk about national politics, there is a time where Congress is very strong and now it is weak. BJP is very strong. See, the people in due course of time, they will give a befitting reply to any successive government. That is natural. There is no political party who remain forever for 40, 50 years. Change is always, this is a beauty of democracy. That's why we are part of this vibrant democracy. It has been carved out through the constitution. We have electoral process and the popularity of political parties. Now, not only VPP, even BJP also popular. NPP is popular. UDP is, all political parties are popular. So you never know what will happen. Electorate of Meghalaya, they are very wise and they know whom to choose as their representative, and we leave it to the wisdom of the people at large.